Welcome to my channel Nutrition and Health and Disease. We will discuss of health diseases, 5 benefits of ginger sexually. Many couples make several attempts to search for foods and nutrients that contribute to enhancing their sexual ability and strengthening their sexual desires to establish a successful and enjoyable intimate relationship. Number 1. Strengthening the erection. One of the most important benefits of ginger sexual herbs is its ability to strengthen the erection of the penis in men. It helps them to get full erections for long periods. Because when drinking a hot ginger. Number 1. Strengthening the erection. One of the most important benefits of ginger sexual herbs is its ability to strengthen the erection of the penis in men. It helps them to get full erections for long periods. Because when drinking a hot ginger powder, sweetening it with a spoon of honey, and drinking it in the morning on an empty stomach. You can add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Number 2. Increase sexual desire. Ginger helps men and women to strengthen their sexual desire, and when ingested, it makes each of them have a desire to have sex constantly. Natural ginger herbs extend the duration of sexual intercourse and contribute to enhancing sexual performance. Ginger enhances arousal and orgasm. It brings the couple together for fun and orgasms, too. Ginger must be taken as a hot drink or ground as a spice and used while cooking. Ginger is one of the most powerful sexual stimulants that stimulate a successful intimate relationship. Ginger contains potassium, manganese, and some vitamins, the most important of which is vitamin B6. Number 3. Treatment of erectile dysfunction. For people who suffer from the problem of impotence and impotence, they should take a hot ginger drink, which improves sexual ability and increases benefits of ginger's sexual desire and excitement. There are many men and women suffering from impotence and sexual apathy, and this is the result of boredom and routine in intimate relationships, in addition to having some chronic diseases that make their ability benefits of ginger sexual to have intercourse weak and not good. It is recommended to eat ginger herbs in order to treat this problem, which causes many conflicts and permanent marital problems, because it is one of the herbs rich in vitamins and dietary fiber. Stimulates the sperm count in men. Stimulates the production of eggs in women. Number 4. Treatment of premature ejaculation. One of the most famous sexual problems faced by many couples is the problem of premature ejaculation and the lack of prolongation of intercourse, and thus the lack of sexual gratification during the intimate relationship between a man and a woman. The powerful, fast, and effective solution is the natural ginger herb that stimulates increased ability, desire, and orgasm. It makes you put all your focus during the relationship and enjoy it. And ginger reduces premature ejaculation. It is a sexual stimulant that has a tremendous ability to treat the problem of premature ejaculation. It makes you feel sexually aroused. Because only the smell of ginger is able to stimulate your sexual feelings towards the other party. Number 5. Female frigidity. Ginger herbs are one of the most important and effective sexual stimulants for stimulating sexual desire and arousal in women. It gives them a feeling of great orgasm. Ginger eliminates the unpleasant odors that affect the vagina and works to narrow the woman's vagina, thus making the practice of intimacy and sexual intercourse a special pleasure and sexual pleasure. This is because ginger improves blood circulation. Helps blood flow quickly to the genitals of women. Ginger expands blood vessels, provides the body with energy and activity, and improves sexual performance as well.